guys, welcome back to IFX Academy's daily analysis on BTCUSD, guys. We were saving this on Friday, guys. So what are we going to do today? So today, guys, we are at support level. So I would expect. Okay, we've already broken the bar. All that. Let's go to the 4 hour. So guys, we are clearly bearish. Anyways, guys, I would expect some kind of correction as long as we're above it. And my target will be 116.913, guys. As long as we are above 149,621, guys. If only we will break below this, guys, we will be seeing 113,419 soon, guys. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this pair, and see you guys tomorrow. This is what I expect just for today.